Welcome back, folks. Today is day 3 of my road to Top Dasher in the month of June. Today is June 18th and it's 4:45 p.m. I just got my first order with DoorDash for the dinner rush. It is with Subway. It's an okay order. Hopefully things are busy. I'm not gonna lie, that last order was pretty rough. Traffic sucked. Right now it's pretty busy. It took me about a half hour to deliver. So that stinks for that, but it is what it is. And then when I got there, of course it's a like leave outside type of thing, leave at your door. There's this pitbull on a rope staring me down. And I mean, I've always had good experiences with pit bulls, so I wasn't really too worried about it, but the owners were always around. So I'm some person that dog doesn't know. So that makes me a little nervous, maybe it's gonna bite me. And if it is friendly, if I drop the food off and it's just sitting on their step, is the dog gonna go eat that Subway sandwich? So that was my thought process. I go to text the person, hey, where do you want me to leave it? Your dog's outside. And I get this error saying they don't accept messages from Dashers. I'm like, oh, cool. This is awesome. And then the customer walked out and kind of told their dog to stay and walked up to me and grabbed the food. So that worked out. Now I am back at Little Caesars. I don't know what it is. People love their Little CC's, man. This place is always busy. I just got to Azteca Mexican restaurant for another pickup. Things have been kind of slow, to be honest. I turned on Grubhub thinking that might change things, even though I'm really trying to get a lot of orders with DoorDash tonight. But as soon as I turned on Grubhub, I did get this DoorDash order, so I'm really thankful that happened. But depending on how the night goes, I might have to use other apps. We'll see. I think part of it is it's just a really nice day out. It's like 90 degrees out and it's 6 o'clock at night, so people are out doing stuff. They're not necessarily at home eating yet, so there might be a mad rush a little bit later. I hope that's the case. We'll see what happens. I'm not sure if I was just in a better area, but as soon as I made that last delivery, I got an offer. I didn't even walk back to my car yet, and I heard my phone go off. So I'm at Burger King picking up now. And the good thing about it is it was only like a half mile away from that last drop off, and it's like, I think 4 total miles, so not too bad of an order, and it was close to where I was, so that's awesome. So I don't know what to do right now. I've got this Burger King order, right? Food's in here. Got their drink, a milkshake. And where their house, where my GPS is telling me their house is, I don't have service, right? So I lose service, and then I see a few houses pop up, and I'm nowhere even close to the number of what is given in the app. I tried calling the customer, they're not answering. I texted, no answer yet, and DoorDash help is not working. So I'm a bit lost. I don't know what to do right now. I'm just pulled over on an area that I actually do have service, trying to reach a customer, but I don't know what to do. Well, what a day. So I get in touch with DoorDash help. I'm explaining to them, look, I know where their address is. I have it in my GPS. I lose service when I'm driving there. I found 4 houses. None of them are remotely close to the address in DoorDash that I was given. We're talking, the house I was given was 211,000 something. The houses I was at were 288,000, okay? So I'm like, well, maybe it's just further down or something. I try finding the roads. I can't find any other houses. I go like 10 minutes in each direction trying to look for more houses. Can't find them. Anyways, tell that to the help person. I go, look, I pull into those houses. They all have gates. they say, do not trespass, will shoot, and guard dog on duty. It's obviously the wrong house number. These signs are telling me not to go up here and ask for directions or anything. I'm not gonna go up there. With everything going on in this world right now, there's no way. I don't feel safe. It was a $6 pay order. No. So, I'm at home, and I still have drop off to that person. I'm sorry, but you're not getting your food tonight. It's been over an hour since I left Burger King with the food. I'm sure it's freezing cold, but that's going to be my dinner. I'm probably not going to get paid for that order, right? Because I never dropped it off. So I was out delivering for 2.5 hours, and I made $24. I made $15 an hour the first hour. Then I had a half hour where I did that third order. And then that happened. So, like I said, most likely I made like $12 an hour tonight. Actually, a little less, because 2.5 hours. So most likely I made like $8 an hour tonight, right? 8 to 10, somewhere in that range. Just a very frustrating night. The app doesn't let me cancel it. I tried getting back in touch with DoorDash. I hit the request button 3 more times. On the 3rd time, I said, just cancel it, because I can't wait any longer on this order. You're killing me. So I don't know if they're going to cancel it, but it still has the option to drop off to customer. Things have been rough this week. It's been a rough week for delivering. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully things get better soon. I mean, I know I could have done like Grubhub or Uber Eats or Postmates even, but there's just bad juju. I don't want to go deliver tonight. I don't want to finish that with how things have been. What would you have done in my situation? Would you go up to those houses that are telling you not to? Oh, and that's another thing too. It was on a highway, a country interstate, so cars going 60 miles an hour past me. That was the speed limit. There weren't 2 lanes. It was only 1 lane. So I was like on the side of a highway with cars flying by. And then the driveways were long and they were gravel. And when I pulled into the driveways trying to figure out which house, like which one went to which house and all that stuff, I almost got stuck getting out. So I could only, because I have a 2-wheel drive car, they are loose gravel that you probably need 4-wheel drive to like really go through, because they were up a hill too. So I didn't even go up the hill. I don't even know if I would have made it up the hill. I might have had to get out and walk, and then who knows what would have happened. Anyways, I think that's it. I think I'm done ranting. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you'd have done. Next time I go out, hopefully things are much better for me. I'll see you next time. Peace.